Hello everyone, this tutorial will guide you on how to set up WBdot. Here's an architecture diagram. We'll show you how to set up WBdot with activating functions and data logger preference through a text file in the SD card. Now before we start, please insert the SD card into your computer and click the text file WB Setup. Here's a friendly reminder, please put a pound and a $sign at the end of each setting line. It means the setting is complete. There are 4 activating functions: wake up LED, interval hour, interval minute, and daytime. Let's first talk about the wake up LED setting. This setting decides if the LED light is on when pressing the testing button. The default setting is yes. Interval hour and interval minute. Interval hour and interval minute are the measuring interval and time settings. If NB-IoT is enabled, WBdot will record and transmit data based on the interval you set. The unit of interval hour is hour, and the range is from 0 to 1000. The unit of interval minute is minute, and their range is from 0 to 55. And here's a friendly reminder, please enter the number of minutes in multiples of 5. For example, if you enter 1 after the equal sign of interval hour and 5 after the equal sign of interval minute, your WBdot will record every 1 hour and 5 minutes. Data time and GMT offset. Data time controls the synchronicity of the device time. You can choose between manual or network. If you choose network, enter the time zone based on your location after the equal sign of GMT offset. The unit is minute. For example, the time zone for Taiwan is plus 480, so we enter plus 480 after the equal sign of GMT offset. And if you choose manual, please connect your WBdot to a computer through serial terminal application to set up the time. Choose to enter manual at this row. You don't need to enter anything at the GMT offset row. Let's move on to data logger preference. There are 3 options of data logger preference: standalone data logger, wireless data logger with Sanlien Cloud Service, and wireless data logger with your own cloud service. If you would like to use a standalone data logger, please enter yes after the equal sign of disable NB-IoT and enter manual after the equal sign of daytime, then setup of standalone data logger will be complete, because you don't need to enter anything for the settings after disable NB-IoT. If you would like to use wireless data logger, please enter no after the equal sign of disable NB-IoT and enter the NB-IoT frequency band that your telecom company provides. For example, we enter 28 for it is the frequency band for NB-IoT in Taiwan. Then enter NB-IoT after the equal sign of APN. APN stands for Access Point Name for Wireless Service. Here's a reminder, the letters you enter may differ from different telecom companies. Please contact your telecom company for more information. If you would like to use our .cloud service, please enter Sanlien with all capital letters after the equal sign of server IP. Our .service is highly recommended, which supports a smooth and complete service on wireless monitoring. Once you purchase WBdot, we'll offer you a 1-year free trial of our cloud service .. For more information, please refer to our other videos, how to use ., and how to use .2. If you would like to use other cloud service, please contact WBdot to your private registered MQTT broker. Please enter your MQTT server IP, server port, username, password, and data path on the section below. For your reminder, the data path is the same as the topic in MQTT. Here's an example. The final step, insert the SD card into the SD card slot in your WBdot. That's all. Now we have completed all the settings for WBdot. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlien.com. For more information, please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.